up, everybody? It's Kodo Beaner back again for another video, and today we're doing an unboxing / review of Didgetrax train control items for my layout. In here we have all the stuff in here makes for wireless operations. We have the DT500D throttle, the Zepher extra starter set, and the UR92 radio control panel. So just move this. I'm doing a review in here. Papa, I'm doing a review in here, so I'm recording, just so you know. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this. All this stuff is from Yankee Dabbler. They've been selling Didgetrax for just over, I think they said like 20, 60 years, something like that. So. Now we gotta get this part open. Now this is open. We can go ahead and open all of this. Now it's all in one box here. So we have, these are direct, no, these, oh, this is just for the stuff itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Okay, so pull one out slowly, carefully. So right here, we have the Didgetrax duplex equipped DT500D throttle. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We have the instruction manual, and we have the throttle itself. I'm going to go ahead and move the box over. And the bubble wrap. Go ahead and undo the bubble wrap slowly and carefully so we don't damage anything. Go ahead and cut that. Cut that and open this up. So right here we have the throttle. So much stuff. And here we are, a brand new Didgetrax DT500D throttle. Right here we have the duplex equipped DT500D. Duplex equipped, so it can it's radio equipped as well, which doesn't require it, but it allows it to do wireless operations. So this is a 2-train throttle. You can operate 2 trains at once, 2 throttles. You can go ahead and put this aside. Put this in the box. Put this in the box here, and then put it aside real quick. We'll get the next thing out. Next main thing, we have the Zepher extra starter set. Starter set, sorry. So the thing is, with this, the DT500D is just a throttle. Without this, it's completely useless. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Now I'm going to have trouble opening this thing. Surprisingly enough. It's like taking everything with it. So yeah, right here we have this. We're going to want to, it's a transmitter, we're going to want to keep this for working out any problems that may be had later. So you're going to want to hold on to this. I'm just going to put it aside for now, because we don't need it just now. And right here we have the Zepher extra starter set. And in here we should have the power supply, the cord that runs into the wall here. Yep, here we are, we have the cord. The box aside, we have the cord. Now this will run into the wall, or into an operating power outlet. And this end runs into this. And this end runs into the Zephyr. Then we have the Zephyr instructions as well. Right here we have, now this is the directions along with some wiring tips. So go ahead and put these aside as well. Put the box down. And right here, we'll go ahead and take it out of the box, or not the box, the bubble wrap, sorry. And take that out. So right here we have it, the DCS51. And turn this, that's the throttle. We have the forward, brake, and reverse functions. And we have right here, which is where the track power is going to go. We have the program rail A and rail B, the track power rail A and rail B. So those are all going to fit into this. We got the screws on top so you can tighten the wires. This is where the power supply is going to go. This is your loco net. So right here, take the Didgetrax DT500D. We're going to take this, the tab should be on the top. Either A or B will work. You just plug it in. This is how you would do it if you didn't have a UR92, which is the next thing we're going to get out. So this is a short cord, so we're not going to plug this in just yet. Oh, and to unplug it, just push down on the tab and pull out. I'm going to put these two aside. The next and final thing is the UR92. The UR92 duplex radio transceiver. See, with this, even if you get the DT500D and the Zephyr, you still can't do radio because you need this to have working radio operations or wireless operations. So right here we have the PS14 power supply, which will plug into the UR92. So we're going to keep this too. Put this box down. So here is the UR92. With this allows you to do your radio wireless operations. So after you've plugged in your loco nets for the first time and programmed, you can program and run trains wirelessly. So right here we have the UR92. But we want to be very careful so you don't break this. We have the infrared duplex equipped ability. This is where you will plug in your DT500D after you have plugged in everything else. Just like the Zephyr, just plug it in until it clicks, and to unplug it, just push down tab and pull out. It's as simple as that. So go ahead and put this down. And right here, this little plug here is where this power supply that you got with it is going to plug into, just like that. Simple as that. So you plug it in, and on here, there's one last cord. We have the LocoNet cable, which will run from your Zephyr into the UR92. So we have a wire tie right here. Undo that. So the way it should go is right here. There are two ends. A proper LocoNet cable should have one end with the tab down on the bottom and one end with the tab on the top. Now, you take the one with the tab on the bottom, no, you take it on the top, and you plug it into the back of the UR92. And then you take the one on the bottom and you plug it into your Zephyr. Oh, no. You still take the one on the top and you just plug it into the Zephyr. So that's the way it works. So you'll have your Zephyr and then your UR92, and then you will take your Didgetrax DT500D and plug it in. And that's basically it. I mean, after you have your track power, everything like that up and going, you have all your power packs set in and all your different wiring set up that you need to have in order to run trains this way, it will work just fine. So just make sure you have everything in here. And just be careful. And to, don't worry, the box was empty. And to have proper running LocoNet wireless operations, you need to make sure you have a 9-volt battery in the back of here. Now, the best way to remove this battery thing is to slide the cover straight back. Do not bend it up when you're trying to take it off. Same, just slide it right back. And just slide the cover straight back. As long as you slide it straight back, you will never break those two prongs on your battery cover. So remember, do not bend it up. Slide it straight on and straight back. And you will never break these two prongs on the back of your battery cover. So with that, that is just about it. And this is going to be in layout update number 1. I've already done layout update number 0.5, which is just showing the platforms in there. And next will be layout update number 1, which will be showing me either doing track laying or installing the power systems or both. So with that, that just about wraps up this little unboxing of the Didgetrax Zephyr Extra Starter Set, the DCS51, the DT500D Throttle, and the UR92. Any questions about this, go ahead and put them in the comments section. I'll try to reply as many as I can, as long as I know the answer to them, and I'll try to help everyone out as best I can. And with that, from the unboxing of the Didgetrax DT500D, UR92, and DCS51, this is Coder Beaner out.